Hey guys, it's James Mitchell here at Workshop Software. Hope you're doing well. Wanted to bring this video about what's happened over the past 12 months. Want to wish you a Merry Christmas and give you a bit of an insight into what's going to go on next year. Of course, we've had a really interesting 2020. Needless to say, from my perspective, about what's going on right across the world has been really challenging for all sorts of walks of life in the world, not just our industry. But I'd like to say that our industry has been very resilient. Certainly in terms of people keeping cars longer, needing them serviced, and those sorts of things has been a positive for the workshop industry. So well done to us. Let's keep those cars on the road, keep people safe. Make sure that those cars are safe out there as well, and I think we've done pretty well in that respect. So well done. I think we've been able to get through this in a pretty decent way. Certainly from a workshop software perspective, we want to shout out a massive thanks to everybody involved. We've helped lots of businesses. We've had an amazing year, to be quite honest with you, and we've grown significantly. Got lots of new team members, which has been awesome. The application's grown as well. We've certainly grown internationally also, and also in our home country and in the local area around here. So we've just very thankful to what's happened over the past 12 months, and that's just a setup for next year. So we want to do some amazing things next year. We've actually got a really interesting couple of presents for you early in the new year. Some really exciting stuff coming up. So stay tuned for that, and I'll give you some more information early in the new year. For now, I want to wish you a massive and an amazing Christmas. You may be aware that our offices are on the northern beaches of Sydney, and certainly if you're in Australia, you no doubt have heard of the local news about the COVID outbreak that's happened in the local area. That has caused us a little bit of challenges. The office is also on the northern beaches. I think all the team members, or most of the team members at the very least, live on the northern beaches, so we do have some restrictions at the moment. We are able to go to work. The office is still manned, and we plan to man the office throughout the period, which was going to be our case anyway, regardless of these restrictions. So we're going to have the office is going to be open throughout the Christmas break, other than the normal public holidays. So so we're there to support you. Maybe the best way, particularly in light of the COVID outbreak, and should we be able to have maybe a little greater difficulties in getting in touch with you or being in the office, and we'll certainly let you know if that's the case. Maybe the best way to get in contact with us is to send an email to the support, so support@workshopsoftware.com. No matter what your sort of inquiry is, it doesn't have to be a support inquiry necessarily, but that's maybe the best way to get in touch with us at this stage. As I say, awesome things coming up in 2021. Really want to thank you for your support in 2020, and wish you a Merry Christmas, a safe New Year. Looking forward to what's going to bring for Santa for Christmas and then beyond. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.